Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a credit card payment on a Weebly website in 2024. So adding credit card payments functionality to your Weebly websites is essential for any online store. So this tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up from credit card payments with Weebly integration payments providers. And this tutorial also is perfect for those who are just starting out with e-commerce on Weebly and will help you understand like the basics of integrating some credit card payments options. So follow along and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and access your Weebly dashboard. To do so, open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave, for you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Here, basically just type weebly.com and hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen or main screen of Weebly website right away without any problems. If it's your first time though, you'll be taken to this page instead. So if you have an account by any chance, just click on login at the top right corner and you'll be able to log in with Square, Google, or Facebook. If you don't have an account, click on sign up instead and create a new account. So you can also create an account using, I guess, Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here on this page or the dashboard right away. So as I said before, we would like to add the credit card payments on our Weebly website. So to do so, we'll basically have to go to this left panel, settings option, click on it. Once you click on settings, as an example, if you go here and click on checkouts as an example, so let me see, like as you can see, on checkouts, we'll find collects payments. First of all, we have Stripe, then PayPal. So if you choose PayPal, this will give your customers more option and increase sales, access PayPal, and even credit cards. So, but this will get from you as fees 3.49% plus 0.49 per transaction fee. This per every transaction. So it will get from you 3%, like kind of 3.5% and 5 cents. Or no, it's 50 cents actually. 50 cents dollars. So that's what PayPal will get from you. And of course, customers pay with their PayPal account or credit card through PayPal also. So it has the credit card option. And of course, this will increase your sales by an average of 18%. And I guess that's just an estimation. But as you can see, if you want to connect PayPal to use the credit card, you can't do it on the free plan. You'll need to go and upgrade to one of the plans that they are provided or what that they have, which is example personal, premium, performance, or as example whatever you want. Of course, that's what you'll pay monthly. If you want to pay per month, and if you want to pay if you want to pay yearly, and if you want to pay per month, as example, you'll have to pay more, as you can see here at the bottom. So guess whatever plan you want if you want to use or connect PayPal into it. But in the other hand, if you want to connect Stripe into it, the best if you only sell online. You'll accept Apple Pay and Android Pay, accept all major credit card, which what we want also, funds transferred in just 1/2 days, and the fees will be even lower than PayPal, which is just 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction fee. As you can see, it's cheaper and the fees than PayPal. It accepts all major payments and even fund transfers between like 1 to 2 days, and even accepts Apple Pay and Android Pay. So you get to choose. You want to use Stripe just on the free plan on Weebly, or upgrade to a plan and connects PayPal, which will get more fees from you and does not even contain all the features that Stripe has. So the choice is yours. Of course, now once you choose whatever you want, maybe if you have plan, you can choose PayPal. You can even connect both if you want to. For me, I'll just go here and click on Connect Stripe. If you click on Connect Stripe, first of all, if you don't have a Stripe account, make sure to click on Create a new Stripe account. And then you'll have to choose the location as example, let's say this one, then choose the currency as example, maybe USD, then enter your phone number. But if you already have an account, just choose this I have a Stripe account, then click on connect, and they will open this for you to create an account or to log in into your account as example. So just here click on submit. I don't know if I remember my password on Stripe, but let me just go and check that. It works. Okay, that works. Good. An example, they need this code on my authenticator app, so I'll just go and get that code from Stripe. So it's going to be something like this. Of course, this code changes like every time. And as you can see, basically just click on connect and I should be good to go. As you can see, of course, like I still did not finish the setup on Stripe, so I guess they'll take me, yeah, they'll take me through the setup on Stripe for you. Make sure that you have it or finish it for me. Of course, I'll not do it. I'll just show you like the examples or what you should do to have that. Click on continue as example here. As you can see, you'll have to fill up all your numbers here and your social security number, etc. Just fill up all those informations. Keep clicking on continue to finish. Of course, setting up your account. Once you set up your account, it will be connected right away, right here in Weebly. And people, if we go as example, if I go here, I'll just click on edit site. So people now, if they go to your store as an example, so just click on my sites and of course I'll click on edit as example. So if people go into your sites, so just click on preview on desktop and even mobile, they will find like the option, especially if you have a store. So example, if they click here, so if you have a store, if I click on shop, normally I find here the products, etc. I'll just go and add those products to the cart, and after that I'll try to pay. They will find the Stripe option where they can pay with all the options that we saw before in here as an example. So with all the settings or with all the things. So it should be checkout, not general, with all the options like here Apple Pay, Android Pay, a credit card, all the credit card, and even Stripe. So that's going to be it for me today. Of course, once you check like Stripe is working, make sure to go live with your website. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.